Jujx.io is a new generation trading platform. Fully independent and decentralized platform based on Ethereum network smart contracts. Because of the JJX platform, tokens is directly secured by Ethereum. This approach with redundancy forms a network of liquidity because tokens can be exchanged for Ethereum instantly and without restrictions. Such transactions involve mathematical formulas developed by the economist John Keynes, as well as refined and tested by the Bancor network. The project is completely transparent. Complete documentation and open sources with independent audit are presented on the project website. To work with the project, you will need MetaMask, a Chrome browser extension to work with the project smart contract. It can be easily installed from the website. Next, go to the project financial account. To do this, click any of the three buttons on the first website page: Personal Account, Buy JJX Tokens Now, or Buy in the Statistics form. In the account, you can start working with the project smart contract, buy and sell tokens, track referral accruals, make reinvest, and conduct internal transfers of JJX tokens. For convenience, select language in the upper right corner by clicking on the globe. How to buy JJX tokens and what deductions a smart contract provides. Buying JJX tokens. Enter the amount in the Ethereum currency you want to spend to purchase project tokens. For example, 1 Ethereum. In the upper corner of the purchase form, you can see the current price of the JJX token. At the bottom, you can see an approximate calculation of the number of JJX tokens for accrual. The rate is approximate, as the smart contract constantly calculates the token price depending on each new purchase. All calculations are performed in turn, which depends on the conditions and the price of gas, set at the request for the purchase in MetaMask. For more details, see the FAQ on the website. Click Buy. MetaMask will start with the amount of the purchase affixed. You must be logged in the extension for the account to work correctly. You can edit the cost of gas in the appropriate field by clicking Edit, and then confirm the transaction. A few minutes after transaction processing, refresh the page and the estimated amount of JJX tokens will appear on your balance, and in the Ethereum balance form, you will see your dividends immediately available for withdrawal. Selling JJX tokens is in the reverse order. You need a red sales form. You can sell part of tokens. It is recommended to keep the balance in tokens on the account for dividends. To do this, specify the desired number of JJX tokens for sale. Click Sell Tokens. MetaMask will start. Set the required cost of gas. Confirm the transaction. After the transaction, the Ethereum will appear in the Ethereum balance form. To withdraw from this form or reinvest, simply click the appropriate button: Withdraw Ethereum or Reinvest in Tokens. Everything is also handled by MetaMask. With each purchase of JJX tokens, the smart contract accrues 12% of the purchase amount in Ethereum immediately available for withdrawal. Of them, 8% are distributed among all holders of JJX tokens as dividends for ownership of platform tokens. 3% are distributed in a 3-level referral system. We will describe it in more detail. 1% is the platform fee. When selling JJX tokens, a smart contract accrues 5% of the sale amount in Ethereum immediately available for withdrawal as well. Of them, 4% are distributed among all holders of JJX tokens as dividends for ownership of platform tokens. 1% is the platform fee. Referral program of the platform. Each participant who has bought at least one JJX token will have an active referral link in the personal account. Send it to your friends and partners. Referral funds are immediately available for withdrawal to the Ethereum ETH. First level, 2% of all purchases from personally invited partners. Level 2, 0.5% of all purchases from Level 2 referrals. Third level, 0.5% of all purchases from Level 3 referrals. We remind you that all active accounts with at least one JJX token participate in the referral program.